In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Wise card in Europe. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you acquire the Wise card, either a physical one or a digital one, using it in Europe is extremely straightforward. Regardless of your region, you will be able to use the Wise card anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted. So, of course, if you are trying to use it within your own region, all that you have to do is copy the details about the card number, expiration date, and security code, and the cardholder's name, and you will be able to make online purchases. Physically, you can either use your phone to make contactless payments if the card is attached to a digital wallet, or you can simply swipe the card as necessary if you have a physical version of it. Now, alternatively, if you are going to be traveling to Europe from another region, you might be wondering, how does the conversion for the currencies work? As of today, it is very convenient to use your Wise card outside of your own region. Let's say you are from the United States and you are traveling to Spain. If you want to use your Wise card in there, all that you would have to do is use it like normal. Basically, Wise is going to automatically convert the currency, so you don't have to do any additional steps. As long as you have the balance in US dollars or any other sort of balance that you use around the world, you will be able to use your Wise card like normal, and the automatic conversion will take place. They say on their website that the conversion that they use is going to be the cheapest possible, but if you want to be extra secure and make sure that you get the best possible rates for your conversion, you can also go back to the home screen and tap on Add under Account. This will allow you to open a new balance account that can be loaded up with the respective balance of the region that you are visiting in Europe. So you can choose the specific currency and load it up with balance beforehand. Now, there isn't much difference because, like I said, the process is done by Wise automatically, but sometimes you might be able to get better conversion rates if you add the money this way. Regardless of which option you pick, by simply using the card with balance from another country or adding the specific currency of the country that you are visiting in Europe, you will be able to use your Wise card in there without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Wise card in Europe. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.